Meet the birds of Golden Island, the ones that are also part of Stella's flock, but are making their debut today.
Hi, I'm Emmet.
Emmet. Young Emmet the emu may be the biggest baby in Stella's flock. He's the same age as Luca, but unlike him, he has a tendency to not think for himself and would rather be a follower. This unfortunately makes him rather gullible and an easy victim of being taken advantage of. As simple-minded as he is, however, he does have a big heart and cares about others. He doesn't even mind taking a bath, much to Luca's confusion. And did we mention that he can be a bit of a klutz as well?
Hey, what's up? My name is Rudy. You know, like Ruby, but with a D instead.
Rudy. Rudy is a year older than Luca and Emmet and thinks he knows everything, hence why he doesn't like admitting when he's wrong. While he and Luca are best friends, Luca can't understand why Rudy likes to take a bath when he himself doesn't.
Because baths are good for you. That's why. Hey! Hey there. My name is Blaze.
Blaze. This young Rufous hummingbird is 2 years older than Luca and Emmet, and is always ready for adventure. The fact that he has back wings that give him the ability to fly can also make him a bit full of himself. He often likes to constantly show off and remind Stella's flock of his ability, much to their annoyance. Despite this, Blaze also uses his speedy flight for good purposes, and will also use his smaller size to his advantages.
That's right. Little is the new big, people.
Hello all. My name is Zeb. I'm a black and white finch, just so you know. Zeb. Zeb is around the same age as Stella, and he is perhaps the most sensible bird in the flock. Being the only older male bird doesn't bother Zeb one bit. In fact, nothing seems to really bother him at all. Nothing even seems to scare him. You could even say he's the bravest of the flock. But he doesn't let this get to his head. He's also a humble bird and doesn't like to receive all the credit. That's right. Humble and, as you put it, so-called fearless. I wouldn't call it fearlessness, just sensibleness. Now on to the girls.
Hello all. I am Esmeralda.
And in case you can't tell, I'm a green peacock. But I bet you already knew that, given my feathers. Esmeralda. As another one of Gale's former friends, Esmeralda is some ways like her. She can be vain and sees herself as Golden Island's most beautiful bird. But unlike Gail, she's not always selfish and will often help others find their inner beauty as well as their outward. Her own beauty makes her immune to the power of the golden egg, which she sees as nothing more than a nuisance.
Indeed, that golden egg is nothing but trouble. Absolutely nothing but trouble. Puts evil spells on other birds. I just don't understand it. Who would create such a ghastly artifact?
Hi there. My name is Lilly. I'm a budgie bird. You know, those little small parakeet things. That's what I am. And also, my name is spelled Lilly. Yes, it's got 3 L's in it instead of just 2. Lilly. Just about the sweetest budgie you could possibly meet, Lilly is best friends with Willow, and she and her are so much alike in many ways. They both love nature, are both shy and sensitive, and don't much like to be the center of attention. Lilly also likes to socialize with all the creatures of Golden Island as well. Except for the cave monsters, of course. Oh, yes, they are rather scary. Well, except for the babies. They just want to play.
Hey, everybody! I'm Kiki. I'm what they call it's a weird name. Who cares? I'm supposed to be an endangered species, but I don't stop that. I don't let that stop me from being me.
Kiki. Kiki doesn't let being an endangered species of bird get in the way of her having fun. All the more reason why she and Poppy are best friends. But unlike Poppy, Kiki knows that there are times to have fun and times to be serious. Something she tries to get Poppy to understand, sometimes with little to no success.
Yeah, me and Poppy are pals. Though I wish she wasn't always so silly. I mean, there's nothing wrong with being silly by any means. It's just, well, like I said, there are times to be silly and times to be serious. I just wish she knew that.
Hey there, folks. My name is Chestnut. I'm a chestnut-backed, chickadee. I think that's what I am. A chestnut-backed chickadee. Chestnut. This chickadee has always been the honest type and never sugarcoats anything. But at the same time, she tries to use her honesty to help the flock in any way she can. While her hard truths may come off as mean or insensitive, she does mean well. Yeah, I am always honest. I always get straight to the point of what I'm trying to say. I never take my time at all. I'm never afraid to speak my mind, unlike some other birds. Be on the lookout for these birds this month. They'll be reacting to Angry Bird Stella. Stay tuned for episodes on every day, folks. Well, maybe not every day, but several days this month.